afternoon. Presenting to you, Humes Alrich, Von Elsie S. Amores, Dumaguete City with honors. Jandel L. Angkon, Sibulan, Negros Oriental. Kim Jan F. Antonio, Dumaguete City with honors. Jevan G. Arbas, Dumaguete City with honors. Jazz G. Bacara, San Jose, Negros Oriental with honors. Dominic Jan D. Balinas, Dumaguete City with honors. James Axel A. Barro, Dumaguete City with honors. May Billy S. Bulagao, San Jose, Negros Oriental with honors. Remart Cadalin, Sibulan, Negros Oriental. Joffrey N. Cadiz, Bacong, Negros Oriental with honors. Ike B. Cambalon, Sibulan, Negros Oriental with honors. Lance Anthony G. Catalina, Dumaguete City with honors. Jean Michael R. Costudio, Sibulan, Negros Oriental with high honors. Bill A. Dagoy, Dumaguete City. Brandon D. Davis, Dumaguete City with honors. John Christian R. Delmo, Dumaguete City with honors, service awardee, Red Cross Youth Eco-Friendly. Chris Ivan F. Tiquito, Sibulan, Negros Oriental with honors. Alan Ken G. Distrito, Dumaguete City with honors. Ram Vincent G. Ebroli, Dumaguete City with honors. Lambert Frank C. Imbudo, Dumaguete City. Eldrin Al G. Estoras, Dumaguete City. Sham N. Leon, Sibulan, Negros Oriental. Froilan Jr. P. Macapal, Dumaguete City. Mark Stephen Gabriel D. Maturan, Valencia, Negros Oriental with honors. Yonfu Dave Riquina, Dumaguete City with honors. Gian Daniel C. Rivera, Dumaguete City with honors. James Anton F. Siplon, Dumaguete City with honors. Julius Jr. R. Subido, Sibulan, Negros Oriental. Melman L. Zerna, Dumaguete City with honors. Samantha S. Academia, Bacong, Negros Oriental with honors. Resimi R. Alahab, Dumaguete City with honors. Ivory J. Ambrona, Dumaguete City with honors, service awardee, Red Cross Youth. Maya Chris A. Aquino, Dumaguete City with honors. Nicole D. Ariola, Dumaguete City with honors. Joy Marie D. Balangitaw, Dumaguete City with honors, service awardee, Red Cross Youth. Althea C. Baldado, Dumaguete City with honors. Ashley Grace L. Biruin, Dumaguete City with honors, service awardee, Red Cross Youth. Eliza Rachel R. Cadayuna, Dumaguete City with honors. Desiree B. Calvo, Dumaguete City with honors. Emerin Rose D. Calibo, Dumaguete City with high honors. Service Awardee, Eco-Friendly, Garbo, and NOHS Camera Club. Mariel R. Kalingasyon, Sibulan Negros Oriental with Honors. Samantha Nicole T. Calongo, Dumaguete City with High Honors. Service Awardee, Red Cross Youth, Eco-Friendly, and Garbo. Marian M. Casal, Dumaguete City with High Honors. Service Awardee, Red Cross Youth, Eco-Friendly, Garbo, Regional Competition, second place in Best Radio Script Writing and Broadcasting Regional Competition, second place Best Script in Broadcasting Regional Competition, and third place Best in Technical Application in Cebu City. Althea Rose E. Debero, Ayongon Negros Oriental. Dana F. Divivar, Dumaguete City with Honors, Red Cross Youth Leadership Service Award. Sofia R. de Menegracia, Dumaguete City with High Honors, Red Cross Youth Eco-Friendly Service Award. Maria Nicolette I. Elia, Sibulan Negros Oriental with Honors. Krisa P. Imet, Dumaguete City with High Honors. Sheriel S. Laton, Sibulan Negros Oriental with Honors. Clauden B. Luzada, Sibulan Negros Oriental. Aina T. Magdara, Dumaguete City with Honors. Jaya May A. Morenio, Dumaguete City with Honors. Kim Hazel Ragay, Dumaguete City with Adrian Jasmine B. Ruales, San Jose Negros Oriental with Honors. Hannah Jen Q. Silorio, Amlan Negros Oriental with Honors. Precious Murphy O. Tan, Sibulan Negros Oriental with Honors. Glennie Jane S. Torres, Sibulan Negros Oriental. Iris Torco, Dumaguete City with High Honors. Celine G. Tusanieza, Dumaguete City. Chantal Gamaliel C. Villamil, Dumaguete City with High Honors. Faith D. Villanueva, Dumaguete City with Honors. Micah M. Viola, Sibulan Negros Oriental with High Honors.